Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, it's, oh my God, I'm losing everything. That's right. This is the No Guru Zone. We're going to talk about it. It's dark and cloudy out. But does that mean it's dark and cloudy out every minute of every day? No. So stay tuned, and please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Hopefully I got your attention. But first, no Tifosi optics today. But we still have Stop Struggling Now merch. So please go to StopStrugglingNow.com and get the SSN merchandise today. Hats, hoodies, leggings, t-shirts, all motivational. So anyhow, let's get down to it because this is motivation every day. Like we talk about it with the, oh my God, I'm losing everything. A lot of you right now, 60%. Actually, that's incorrect. About 60 million people right now are under duress economically, financially. And this is why I started the video this way, because this has to be a motivational day. It's out here sunny, raining, but I'm not stopping. Even when there's raindrops, I'm not stopping. My point is, you can't stop, ladies and gentlemen. Even when you have that songs in your head going, oh my God, this is bad. Oh my God, my financials are gone. Oh my God. Come on now. This is a no guru zone. What are you gonna do? You're gonna spend your hard-earned money and give it to a guru that says, send me some money so I can help you? Funny how all the so-called millionaires need money from you. I'll keep saying this again. Somebody trying to help you, why are they trying to charge you when they know you need help? This is one of these situations right now. Millions of people right now are in the same position. And this is why I had to make this video today for motivational purposes. Your neighbor, your brother, your mother, your cousin, your grandmother, whoever it can be, your friends. Anyone could be under duress at this moment. But keep in mind, under duress does not mean you have to stay in that position. Today, you're under duress. But are you under duress 5 minutes from now? You're gonna keep dwelling on the past? You're gonna keep dwelling on why things are going downhill, why they're going bad? Well, there's such a thing as positive thinking, positive leadership that leads to a positive way out. So instead of figuring out what's going wrong and why we're having issues, maybe you should think about how I'm gonna get out of this issue, and don't be confused. You know I'm not confused, and I've never told you to be confused about the fact you have to work hard. You have to make a stand. You have to say, okay, today's the day that I'm gonna go out here and do everything that I said I was gonna do in my dreams. Everything I said I was gonna do when I was at work thinking, why am I working here? Every day that I get off work after working 12 hours and I'm sitting here tired. And you're saying, well, I'll just sit here on the couch and watch TV. Now is the time to say, you know what, I've had enough. Because my life is dictated by me. It's not gonna be dictated by somebody else. So it's time for you to get a groove on. Start moving and say, oh my God. No, not today. Now's the time to say, I am the man. I am the woman of my own destiny. Nobody else is around here stopping me except you, like I've always said. So there is no, oh my God, the sky is falling. Oh my God, it's a rainy day. Oh my God, I don't feel well. Come on. Let's get real. Do you really think 1%ers are sitting there saying, oh my God? No, they're licking their chops thinking, hey man, look at all these people down here going, oh my God, things are falling apart. Think about it. And now they're saying, well, looks like they're giving up again. So let me snap up this fourplex over here that somebody's gonna give away. Let me snap up this house that somebody's going to get rid of. Let me snap up this apartment complex that somebody's going to get rid of because they have 60% of the people aren't paying rent. They're sitting there licking their chops. You're sitting around here going, oh my God. Losing your crap about what? Something you don't even control? Did you not hear me? Something that you don't control. When you work for somebody else and they walk in and say, you're a non-essential employee, so I'm sorry, we got to shut down because the state said we have a virus situation here. And then you're sitting there going, oh my God, please send me that $1,200 stimulus check that I really have to pay for next year myself. Oh, and I'm going to be taxed on it too. Come on. When you guys going to wake up? You live in America. The corporation of the United States of America. Anything you do for business, you get rewarded. And sure, it's hard work. It takes dedication. It takes discipline. But what the hell? What do you think, man? You can't be a 1%er if you ain't willing to put in hard work. How many people around here thinks they're going to be a sports star when they're a little kid? First you start out and you're very good, or maybe not that good. Then you start out to the next level, which may be high school, and you get cut from the team your freshman year. Then you work a little harder and say, well, I feel bad I got cut. You work a little harder and now you're on the team by your junior or senior year. But you had to put in work. And the same thing holds true no matter what you're trying to do. You can't just open up a can and say, ta-da, I'm a winner. Ta-da, I'm a 1%er. Ta-da, I'm a millionaire. Who's giving that crap in your head? Oh, I know. You're watching that fake reality TV crap. Fake reality online crap. Oh, wait. You're watching see my car, see my garage, see my $1 million mansion crap. Come on now. You need to get up and step up. You're the one that controls your destiny, and you need to stop crying. I don't want to hear it. Living in America, we've had people come over here with $0 in their pocket, but yet somehow they end up being millionaires. Why? They want it more than you. You're sitting here with your lazy fat asses, sitting there going, I'll get a paycheck. What the hell? I'll get my W-2, nothing. What could go wrong? Well, like I keep saying, what could go wrong? You might want to ask Sears employees what could go wrong. You might want to ask Toyota of Fremont, California years ago what went wrong. And now in this pandemic, a whole bunch of companies are going to be out of business. And your fate may rest in their hands. And you might be sitting here going, oh my God, enough. You better oh my God your way to figuring out how you're going to get things done. And I got things done for you by setting up the Facebook group for Stop Struggling Now. There'll be a link down below, because if you don't have the talent or have the skills, hell, none of us have all the talent and all the skills. We need help. I need help. You need help. Everybody needs help. But I have links to places that can help you do what you need to do so you can start your business. It doesn't even have to be an LLC. You can be an affiliate. You can make something and then turn around and sell it. There's Etsy, for instance. There's Facebook. There's all kind of social media that you can advertise your products and services for free. Go to LinkedIn if you have a business and you need to promote it. Or if you're trying to find somebody to help you. Go over there. People have their little things they do there, their businesses, their expertises. Somebody might help you. But you have to be looking for opportunity. That's the key. You can't be thinking there's clouds over my head and I have an issue tomorrow or the next day or the next day. All that time that goes by, day 2, you could have been doing something for 2 days that would have improved your life. Now come on. This is Stop Struggling Now. That's why I have to talk about this. Because this is going to be dire times. It's dire straits for a lot of people. But there is a way out. And if you want to be a 1%er, Don't be confused. You have to put in the work. And there's going to be obstacles. There's going to be ups and there's going to be downs. There's going to be stress. You're going to have to be able to handle stress. It's simple as that. There is no straight shot up. Hear me again. There is no straight shot up. It goes like a heartbeat. Boom, 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 boom. And then when you start pressing and working, your heartbeat gets a little quicker. Boom, 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 boom. Same thing with life and hard work. That's what you have to do. So this is motivational day. So everybody knows what time it is. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day we got to put in the work. And never mind the clouds overhead. Never mind the hard, deep work we have to put in, but we can't stop. And with all that said, please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know it's hard out here. And that's why you got to keep working. You got to keep striving for the best and to better yourself every day, whether it's reading a book, whether it's reading online, whether it's just simply calm, quiet, meditation, and getting your mind right for you to succeed. Because succeeding is all that you can do. You cannot rely on somebody else. So with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.